Best Padel Rackets. Are you looking for the best Padel rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best Padel rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Adidas Adipower Control 3.2. Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Paddle Series, Control 3.3 Multi-Weight, Black/Orange, 3 5/8 inches grip, carbon fiber frame, fiberglass, 365G. Elevate your padel game with the Adidas Adipower Padel Racket from the renowned Control series, designed for players of all skill levels. Combining cutting-edge technology with superior craftsmanship, this racket delivers unmatched performance, precision, and power for every shot. Its unique black and orange design not only looks striking on the court but also reflects Adidas' commitment to high-quality sporting gear. Constructed with a carbon fiber frame and fiberglass face, the Adipower Padel Racket balances strength and flexibility, providing excellent control and durability. Weighing 365 grams, it offers the perfect balance between maneuverability and stability, allowing you to execute fast volleys, smashes, and defensive plays with ease. The 3 5/8 inch grip ensures comfortable handling, reducing strain during long matches and improving your overall gameplay. This multi-weight 3.3 racket is versatile and suitable for players of all levels, from beginners developing their technique to advanced players seeking high-performance precision. Its ergonomic design enhances swing consistency, while the high-quality materials ensure long-lasting resilience. Whether you are playing recreationally or competitively, the Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Paddle Series delivers the perfect combination of power, control, and style. Step onto the court with confidence, dominate your matches, and experience the precision and responsiveness that only Adidas can offer. Ideal for club players, tournament competitors, or anyone passionate about padel, this racket will quickly become your go-to choice for high-performance play. Number 2. Head Graphene 360 Plus Alpha Touch. Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, Alpha, Elite/Pro, Delta, Elite/Hybrid, with CB, 1 size, 4.25 inch grip, polyurethane frame, 365G, adult. Take your padel game to the next level with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, expertly crafted for beginners seeking precision, comfort, and control. Available in Alpha, Elite/Pro, and Delta, Elite/Hybrid variants with CB technology, this racket offers a perfect blend of innovative design and high-quality materials to help players enhance their skills on the court. Constructed from durable polyurethane for both the frame and hitting surface, the Head Graphene 360 Plus paddle provides a soft yet responsive feel, making it easier to manage shots while reducing vibration and fatigue during extended play. Weighing 365 grams, this adult-sized racket ensures optimal balance, maneuverability, and stability, allowing for confident volleys, smashes, and controlled ground strokes. The 4.25 inch grip delivers superior comfort and control, enabling precise handling for beginners developing their technique. The Head Graphene 360 Plus Paddle Series is designed to deliver consistent performance, power, and accuracy, making it an ideal choice for those new to padel or recreational players looking to improve their game. Its ergonomic design, lightweight construction, and responsive frame make learning and perfecting your swing intuitive and enjoyable. Step onto the court with confidence using the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series. With its innovative materials, beginner-friendly design, and professional-grade quality, this racket provides the perfect balance of comfort, control, and performance to help you enjoy every match while progressing your skills. Number 3. Noxet 10 Genius Attack 18K. Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket, red, black, silver, 1 size, standard grip, carbon fiber frame, 365G, advanced. Dominate the padel court with the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket, designed for advanced players seeking maximum power, precision, and control. Inspired by world-class athlete Juan LeBron, this racket combines cutting-edge technology with premium materials to elevate your performance and provide an unmatched playing experience. Constructed entirely from high-quality carbon fiber, including both the frame and shaft, the Technical Viper delivers exceptional rigidity, responsiveness, and durability. This ensures every shot transfers maximum energy with minimal vibration, allowing for powerful smashes, accurate volleys, and effortless ball control. With a weight of 365 grams and a standard grip, it balances agility and stability perfectly, giving experienced players the confidence to execute complex techniques and dominate competitive matches. The racket's striking red, black, and silver design not only captures attention but also reflects Babolat's commitment to precision engineering and professional-grade aesthetics. Its one-size configuration accommodates adult players comfortably, making it suitable for aggressive play styles and fast-paced rallies. Ideal for advanced players looking to push their game to the next level, the Babolat Technical Viper Juan LeBron Padel Racket offers unmatched power, precision, and control. Step onto the court with a racket that embodies professional performance, cutting-edge carbon fiber technology, and the signature style of one of Padel's top athletes. Experience superior handling, explosive power, and consistency with every swing, and make every match a showcase of your skill and precision. Number 4. Babolat Technical Viper. Babolat Technical Viper Juan LeBron Padel Racket. Red, black, silver. One size, standard grip, carbon fiber, 365G, advanced. Unleash your full potential on the padel court with the Babolat Technical Viper Juan LeBron Padel Racket, crafted for advanced players who demand power, precision, and control. Inspired by professional padel champion Juan LeBron, this racket combines innovative design with premium materials to help you dominate every match. Made entirely from high-quality carbon fiber, both the frame and shaft deliver exceptional strength, durability, and responsiveness. The Technical Viper ensures maximum energy transfer on each shot while minimizing vibration, allowing for explosive smashes, precise volleys, and effortless ball control. Weighing 365 grams with a standard grip, this racket provides the perfect balance of agility and stability, ideal for experienced players executing fast-paced, competitive maneuvers. The striking red, black, and silver colorway not only stands out on the court but also reflects Babolat's commitment to professional-grade performance and style. Its one-size configuration comfortably fits adult players and is designed for those who play aggressively, offering superior handling and quick response in high-intensity rallies. Perfect for advanced players seeking the ultimate padel experience, the Babolat Technical Viper Juan LeBron Padel Racket delivers unparalleled power, precision, and control. Elevate your game with a racket that embodies the skill and style of a top-level athlete, while offering superior carbon fiber technology and ergonomic performance. Take command of every point and dominate the court with confidence, consistency, and explosive power match after match. Number 5. Bullpadel Vertex 04. Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket, professional diamond shape, stand carbon 12K and multi-EVA core, curvative and air power frame technology, vibradrive system, high power and control, one size, 0.3 kilograms. Step onto the padel court with confidence and precision using the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket, designed for players of all skill levels. Combining advanced technology with professional-grade materials, this racket delivers exceptional power, control, and maneuverability for an unparalleled playing experience. Featuring a professional diamond shape, the Vertex 04 2025 maximizes striking efficiency, enabling explosive smashes and accurate ball placement. Its Stend Carbon 12K construction paired with a multi-EVA core enhances durability and responsiveness, offering consistent performance for both beginners and seasoned players. The innovative curvative and air power frame technologies further optimize power and control, allowing you to handle high-speed rallies with ease and precision. Weighing just 0.3 kilograms and equipped with a one-size grip, this racket provides excellent balance, lightweight handling, and comfort for extended play sessions. The high-quality carbon fiber frame and shaft ensure rigidity and stability, reducing vibration while delivering smooth and controlled swings. The Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 also incorporates the Vibradrive system, designed to absorb shock and improve overall racket responsiveness. Its professional design, combined with cutting-edge materials, ensures durability, performance, and style, making it an ideal choice for adult players seeking versatility and reliability on the court. Whether you are playing recreationally or competing at a higher level, the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket offers unmatched power, control, and precision. Elevate your game and dominate every rally with this technologically advanced, high-performance Padel racket.